Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Rich Life. I'm Rich, your guide to personal grooming. Let's dive into essential tips to look and feel your best. First, skincare. Identify your skin type and develop a routine. Cleansing, exfoliation, moisturizing, and sun protection are key. Next, hair care. Use quality shampoo, conditioner, style products, and maintain a healthy diet for great hair. Beard grooming is crucial for men with facial hair. Wash, soften, trim, and moisturize for a sophisticated look. Your wardrobe reflects your style. Invest in basics, versatile pieces, accessories, and tailored clothes. Lastly, personal hygiene matters. Dental care, fresh breath, nail care, and deodorant keep you fresh. Remember, grooming boosts confidence and self-esteem. Share this video, leave comments, and stay sharp with Rich Life.